Jamaican-born football scout Jamal Jarrett has described his appointment as head scout of Manchester United for the south of England as an honour. Jarrett, who was born in St Andrew and left Jamaica at age 5, got the opportunity after spending 10 years in the academy of Crystal Palace. Simon Preston reports.
Accolades and success in the academy of Crystal Palace have drawn the attention of Manchester United, which has signed Jarrett on a 3-year deal with the club. Jarrett will be in charge of the recruitment of players from the under-12 level up to the under-18 level in areas such as London, Bristol and Brighton. Jarrett reacted to the latest opportunity.
I mean, look, the club speaks for itself. There's not much we have to say about, the massive club that it is. So it's definitely a massive opportunity for myself to be part of such a big establishment, and it's a privilege as well, to be recognised as, one of, a lead sort of scout in the UK. It just shows, it's just a credit to the work, and it shows the appreciation of the work that's being done.
Jarrett also spoke about plans to visit Jamaica in the future to analyse talents for the club.
Yeah, no doubt, definitely. I know it's not as easy, getting players into the UK in general, but still, just coming over and casting my eye, even giving advice to the powers that be over there and stuff like that. Yeah, no problem.
The former Brentford and Crystal Palace scout also spoke about his ambitions with Manchester United.
Ultimately, we just want to bring the best players into the club. United, as you said, United. I think there was a stat that came out. I think since 1939, the only club to have a player from the academy in their starting 11, sort of thing. That's unbelievable. You see what I'm saying? So it just shows the club's passion for youth and bringing through homegrown talent. So for me, I've just come in to support that, really, particularly from a southern perspective.
The last time Manchester United won the Under-18 Premier League was in the 2017-2018 season. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.